Jai Hind students. Today in exercise 6.3 I am going to solve the question number 5, and the question is, in the given diagram you can see that PQ is perpendicular to PS. So this is PQ and it is perpendicular to PS. It means angle SPQ is 90 degree. Okay, PQ is parallel to SR. So this line PQ is parallel to SR. I have shown it with the double arrow, right? Angle SQR is equal to 28. SQR is equal to 28 given here. And angle QRT is 65. Okay. Now the question is, we have to find the value of angle X and angle Y. So let us see how to solve this question. So just see in the figure, line PQ is parallel to SR. Can we call it a transversal? The QR is transversal. And if it is a transversal, then you will see that the pair of alternate angles are equal. Okay, so just see here, since PQ is parallel to SR, it implies that angle X plus 28 degree is equal to 65 degree. Means this angle PQR is equal to the sum of angle X and angle 28 degree. So these two are alternate angle and lines are parallel, that is why alternate angles will be equal. So angle X is equal to 65 minus 28 degree. 15 minus 8, 7. 5 minus 2, 3. And here we get the value of angle X. The second thing that we have to find out the value of Y, and the angle Y is here. Angle Y is here. Now for calculating the angle Y, just think of this triangle SPQ. SPQ. It is a right angle triangle, right? Because one of the angle is 90 degree. So now write, now in triangle SPQ, angle Y plus 90 degree plus angle X is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of triangle. The sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Angle Y we don't know. 90 given. Angle X you have found here 37 degree. That is 180. (90 plus 37, 127). So angle Y is equal to 180 minus 127. That is equal to 10 minus 7, 3. 7 minus 2, 5. 1 minus 1, 0. It implies that angle Y is equal to 53 degree. And here we get the value of angle Y. Okay, so this is how you have to solve this. Now come to the question number 6 of this exercise. And in this question there is a triangle PQR, and the angle bisector of angle Q has been drawn, that is QT. QT is the angle bisector of PQR. It means angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So it has been given QT is the angle bisector of angle PQR. What does it mean? It means angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. And for this triangle PQR, angle PRS is an exterior angle, and RT is the angle bisector of angle PRS. It means angle 3 and angle 4. I have mentioned it in the figure. Angle 3 and angle 4 are equal. Okay. If you look at the diagram, you should know that for triangle PQR, angle 3 plus 4, this angle 3 plus 4 is an exterior angle. Am I right? And for triangle QTR, QTR, angle 4 is an exterior angle. So we will take the help of these two things. 2 times we have to select the exterior angle. So just see in figure, angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to angle 5 plus angle 1 plus 2. Angle 5 plus angle 1 plus 2. क्यों? Exterior angle theorem. Exterior angle theorem, if you remember, the exterior angle is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angle. So angle 5 and angle 1 plus 2 are interior opposite angle. So angle 3 plus 4 is equal to angle 5 plus angle 1 plus angle 2. Angle 3 and 4 are equal. So can we write angle 4 plus angle 4 is equal to angle 5 plus angle 1 and 2 are equal. So 1 को 2 लिख दो. Angle 2 plus angle 2. Twice of angle 4 is equal to angle 5 plus twice of angle 2. Twice of angle 4 minus angle 2 is equal to angle 5. What I have done, just look at here. Twice of angle 2 has been shifted from RHS to LHS. So it will become 2 angle 4 minus 2 angle 2, and 2 I have taken common. It implies that angle 2 into angle 4 minus angle 2. Angle 4 minus angle 2 is equal to angle 6. Why? Since angle 4 is equal to angle 6 plus angle 2. Exterior angle theorem. Just see, angle 4 is equal to angle 6 plus angle 2. Then angle 4 minus angle 2 is equal to angle 6. And after that, angle 6 is equal to half of angle 5. This is how we have proved that. Okay? So this is how you will solve the things. Now come to the question number 4. So question number 4, it is very easy question. In this figure, we have to find out the value of angle 3. And you know, in this triangle PTR, this angle is 95, this angle is 40. So you will find the angle 1 here by the angle sum property of a triangle, in which it is told that the sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Then if you get the value of angle 1, you can get the value of angle 2. That will be equal because of vertically opposite angle, VOA, vertically opposite angle. And again, applying the angle sum property in this triangle, you can find out the value of angle 3. Okay, so just let us see how will you solve. In triangle PRT, 95 degree plus 40 degree plus angle 1 is equal to 180. 135 plus angle 1 is equal to 180. Is that clear? Then angle 1 is equal to how much? 180 minus 135 is equal to 45. 10 minus 5, 5. 7 minus 3, 4, 1 minus 1, 0. Angle 1 we have got 45 degree. Now angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is equal to 45 degree. VOA. VOA. What is VOA? ये तो नया चीज आ गया. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Now in triangle TSQ, angle 2 plus 75 degree plus angle 3 is equal to 180. Angle 2 is 45, this is 75, and angle 3 75 plus 5 80, and 80 or 40 120 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. It means angle 3 is equal to 60 degree. It is very easy question. Okay, so answer is angle 1 is equal to 45 degree and angle 3 is equal to 60 degree. This is the answer for this question. Right? So this is how you will solve the question number 4. That's all for today. Thank you.